170
On the rear, everyone has gone for the medium.
Racing in by the GP here in Asri Ducati.
Oh.
Huge crash for Alpine on the inside of Maverick Vinales.
Back up into second once again.
They come into the final sector. Vinales
Going past Maverick Vinales, who left it all.
Okay.
On roll there, but he is through. And Bagnaia, it was a 32.993.
Marini had a mechanical retirement.
Ruben on the second lap. Mark happy to see him sat up and see already a gap opening up to Costa behind to some tunes around half a...
Feeling this, isn't he? He's in his group. In Aston, Maverick Vinales tries for a Joan Mir. What on earth is happening?
Running way down at the back of the field.
23, all the GP 20.
Marc Marquez has dropped behind Fabio Di Giannantonio somewhere.
Yeah, he's made a mistake, hasn't he?
Does he think he had to...
His Saturday started bizarrely when he went out on somewhat bizarre looking from the San Antonio. The pair of them on the speed by the top two.
They're all in the...
Otherwise, Lewis mentioned still comfortably and quicker than Bagnaia. Not good enough.
Oliveira on the track has...
The factory Yamaha rider just not...
Two. They are now doing, but as Pecco.
Last year's pump.
Absolutely extraordinary, and he's...
Kez said it was like he'd come out first gear, turn 5. This is where Marco Bezzecchi.
You will be able to see once we got away from the helicopter. Enea Bastianini will be sat there on that.
He's come to a circuit, Vinales, who's fantastic around.
Through on the likes of Acosta, Vinales.
In 8th place, rather lonely back altogether, and he's going to fall further back. Not between...
They pick up the dry grip. Martin, how many laps have they both...
Oh! They almost tripped over the now at the inside of Fabio quite some time.
Then now leads this second.
Vinales just cruised through the middle into the Timmy chicane, but
Marquez, they rub.
It's Marc Marquez for 5th place. And at the fastest corner of the race, too much at the front. We're looking back.
They're dominant once again here in Assen, as right on. Unbelievable late race.
Marc Marquez and
6 Dutch TT. Yeah, behind Martin, although
completed, he's led every lap of this on. The Beast, we're looking...
Well, as we mentioned pre-race, there Pedro Acosta going through the... We've seen a few have this more Dutch dominance for Paganini comes through from 10th.
Francesco Bagnaia menjadi Raja MotoGP Belanda 2024. Rider Ducati itu mengasapi Jorge Martin dan Enea Bastianini, sekaligus menutup weekend sempurna di Assen. Seri ke-8 MotoGP 2024 berlangsung di sirkuit Assen, Belanda, Minggu 30 Juni malam waktu Indonesia Barat. Bagnaia start di urutan pertama dan sukses mempertahankan posisinya hingga balapan berakhir. Martin mengisi podium kedua, disusul Bastianini. Marc Marquez di urutan keempat, sementara Fabio Di Giannantonio menduduki P5, disusul Maverick Vinales. Kemenangan ini sekaligus melengkapi akhir pekan sempurna Bagnaia di Assen. Juara bertahan MotoGP itu selalu jadi yang nomor 1 dari sejak sesi praktice, FP1 dan FP2, kualifikasi, sprint race, hingga balapan utama. Francesco Bagnaia melesat di posisi terdepan usai memulai race sebagai pole sitter. Jorge Martin menyodok ke urutan 2 dari start ke-8, disusul Maverick Vinales di P3. Marquez bersaudara menempati posisi keempat dan kelima di akhir lap pertama. Marc Marquez menyalip Vinales dan merebut P3 memasuki lap kedua. Fabio Di Giannantonio melesat ke urutan 5 memasuki lap kelima. Dia menyalip Vinales untuk merebut P4 di awal lap ke-6 dan bersaing dengan Marquez di depannya. Di Giannantonio akhirnya menyalip Marquez di lap ke-7 dan mengambil alih P3. Rider Italia ini pun berusaha mendekati 2 rider di depannya yang terpaut cukup jauh. Bagnaia memimpin race dengan keunggulan 1,7 detik dari Martin ketika balapan tersisa 10 lap. Vinales dan Marquez menyalip Di Giannantonio di lap ke-19. Balapan sengit terjadi memperebutkan P4. Enea Bastianini menyalip Marc Marquez dan kini berada tepat di belakang Vinales. Bastianini merebut P3 dari Vinales di lap ke-23. Bagnaia menuntaskan balapan sebagai juara, sementara Martin jadi runner-up.